All right, guys, this is Reggie with A-Team Appliance, and you're probably wondering what you are looking at. This is flour. Why is there flour on a flat top oven? So I'm doing this tip because every once in a while you got to do an oven repair, and either you or the customer may grab a pot that's on there that may have grease in it and forget it's on there and spill it, and then that slows down your repair. So this is good for us techs that have little oops moments, or just people who cook on the oven and this happens to them. So the best thing, so why am I using flour? So flour makes it a lot easier to clean the oil up with, because if you have, because obviously oil is a liquid and this basically turns it into a solid, right? And so this common, it's the same thing with oil, like in your driveway. You ever change your oil in your driveway, use cat litter. But here we don't use cat litter. And so basically I just spread it out, I sprinkle it on, spread it out, and it sucks up the oil. And then use something like, this is a piece of cardboard, and kind of use it almost like a dustpan. Scoop it up. See, now as you see, that's all this. This is a whole bunch of oil that was poured onto the. Trying to see some oil spots right there. That was out of a frying pan that just spilled all over the oven. So this is how you remove oil, spilled oil on your oven. Now, it is still going to be a little greasy, so your next step after you scoop all this off of here and clean it up is to use Dawn dish detergent or laundry detergent. Reason why I say that, or dishwasher, if you have dishwasher or liquid. Reason why I say that is because that will help break up the grease. So those are grease fighters, but it's not that bad though. So the flour's gonna get up most of it, and just after you clean it up, any residual will get cleaned up by detergent and Dawn, because those things have degreasers in them, so that'll help get all the grease off. All right, any questions, feel free to message. Just another tech tip from Reggie with A-Team Appliance.